Welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Brianna, and you're tuning into another tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be on this look, but specifically because I got Colourpop in the mail. I haven't received Colourpop in a long time, since I moved, and I'm pretty sure the people that are at my house on 308 were stealing my PR, okay? Because when I went to get something, because I was notified through UPS because I did not get the address change for UPS, only USPS. I was supposed to change it to go to a CVS so I could pick it up. However, what happened was I was like, let me just let it go to the original address. I didn't think nobody was living there, so somebody was definitely living there. And I'm pretty sure the packages that I get still to this day that it comes there. There's a whole thing with packages coming to 308, the daughter stealing it, and the mama act like she didn't know what was going on. And it was just too much. I know they got a couple PR out for me and was acting like they did it, but that's against the law and they shouldn't be doing it. And I did update my address, but it took a long time for a benefit to register that I don't live there anymore. Colourpop sent me the new Twilight Eclipse collection, and I am going to be trying it out. I'm not reviewing it, I'm just trying it out. They have some really cute colors in this palette, and also they got these like jelly eyeshadow. I like these. Now I would do the whole collection, however I just felt like the lip, I would do a different eye, like a brown eye, and then try the lip and all the other stuff. But I just basically what was in this box, created a look, and took some items that I thought that would go with this look. So anyways, I don't want to keep y'all longer in the intro. I just want y'all to get right into it because the collection is actually really dope. And I hope that y'all like this look. I know y'all do. That's why y'all clicked, okay? And the cut crease, so iconic, especially for me. Brianna, what you talk about? The cut crease queen. So if y'all want to see how I choose this look, then keep on watching. Y'all, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Brianna, and you're tuning into a makeup tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and gel my brows. You already know how it goes. I want to go a little bit light on my brows today. I'm trying to see if I should use a pencil. I think I'm going to use a pencil. I might use Benefit 3.75. So, speaking on Benefit, I am going to use their brow gel, y'all. If y'all see this, I'm gonna shout out every brand that I use. Like, if y'all want to partner with me, y'all can go ahead and email me so we can partner. Products that I stand by, been standing by for years, and been loving. I remember when I first started using Benefit, and when I discovered their brow gel. It was everything. Once I knew that it stuck, because I was trying to find a brow gel. Brow gels don't stick like this. And that's why I keep using this. And they send it every time. I just love when they send it. Like, I just love when they send it, okay? I don't even need to re-up on nothing. No brow gel, none of that. I'm going to go ahead and take my brow gel. And I don't want to, like, arch them or anything. I got a scratch right here. Open cut right here, like. I'm going to try my best to not get so much of this on the skin part, because once it dries and then it starts getting flaky, so you don't want too much on the skin. I don't know what the girlies are doing for the new brows, but I just stick to my same brow routine. I'm pretty sure they're just like filling it in, like fluffing it up and filling it in, or just using like brow like shadow. Y'all know it's like shadow for brow. That's how I look. And honestly, I can too. All I need to do is basically fill in this area. And then if I want to be a little bit more sharp, a little bit towards the tip. And that's it. And conceal them. But I don't want to do that. You already know I love my sharp look. Do this other brow camera, and then we're going to get right into filling the brows in. Y'all can tell me this brow gel do not eat. Like, look at her brows. Eats down. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Laura Mercier translucent. I'm gonna take my translucent powder in on a powder puff, and we're gonna go ahead and tap that off on the back of our hand, the excess, and we're gonna go ahead and tap that excess off. Go ahead and pat. I am going to also, I need to jot down some things relating to my makeup class. I do want to do a makeup class, y'all, and I need to get to it. I just feel like, oh my god, it's gonna happen at the right time. I got this brush, y'all, from Shein. I got a lot of brushes from Shein. I got this brush for cuts. Now I like how flat it is. I was going to use it for cuts until I got it, and I got the wrong size. So I was supposed to get a brush that's smaller than this. They do have brushes that's smaller than this. I just got the biggest one that they had, and I don't know why did I do that. So I can use this for like applying my foundation. I don't know, something like that. And then my skin is really dry, so I am going to probably double up on the moisturizer. I don't want too much on my skin today, and also I'm going to go a little bit darker with the like contour. So I need a good contour stick, like a versatile contour stick. But yeah, I got this palette too. Okay, anyways, let's do the brows. I'm just talking too much. I'm going to use my Precisely My Brow Pencil for Benefit in 3.75, and I want to use this all over the brow. So we're not even going to do an ombre brow. We're just going to use this. Go right here and just flick her up. For concealer, I am going to go ahead and take my Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpted Concealer in the shade Butterscotch, being the lightest. For concealer, I do take my MAC 252S brush.
something to make you feel. When I turn, they want to see. They're dying to be with me. If you ball, I guarantee you won't need any referee. All the boys, they are D&D. So you know what you need to me. I didn't finish cause I knew that I was coming back. I didn't move cause I knew that I got it just like that. I didn't ask, I didn't try, I knew that you were mine. I knew that you were mine. Show you the things you like, I always get it right. And if you treat me right, I never make you cry. Show you the things you like, all of the things you need. I always get it right, I always get it right. I know you get me, I know you get me. I know if you were ready, I know I do it gently. I'm not going too far, babe, you know I keep it steady. I'm not giving you, I give it, giving you, I give it.
Me, I got you for money. I just keep think about none. Somebody ain't got no time. It's time when we be fine. Oh God, I have to lie. Papa, sign. Pepe, them no time. Cause I'm feeling your behind. You dey do me one kind, shame me, I no go die. It's your body like coke, too bad, not now I. That can bring me day, me, I know they fear one time. Look at me, you papa, you are my
Show you the things you like, I always get it right. And if you treat me right, I never make you cry. Show you the things you like, all of the things you need. I always get it right, I always get it right. I know you get me, I know you get me. I know if you were ready, I know I do it gently. I'm not going too far, babe, you know I keep it steady. I'm not giving you, I give it, giving you, I give it.
run into, they get down, break and move on the ground. Let it go, babe. Telling you, babe. Get it right, don't be shy, don't be tight, keep it light. Let it go, babe.
Come to me, I made it new. I got something to make you feel.
Thank y'all so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and even hype this video up so they can get some more audience. I see a decline in subscribers, and that's because I don't post a lot. And also, too, it's because I feel like YouTube gets rid of the bots. I had this channel for a long time, so the bots are definitely there, and they probably are getting rid of the bots. If they're getting rid of the bots, we need more people to subscribe, and we need new people. So please hype this video, please share this video as much as you can, and like it as much as you can, so that we can get to the page where everybody is recommended to come to this video. And until then, I'll see you baby dolls on my next tutorial. Bye y'all.